Hey, what's going on, everyone? So I'm back at it out here at SPI. A little more prepared than last time. I actually brought my chest mount this time. Now I got my light on my head, so I think you guys are gonna get a lot more action. But yeah, I'm out here gonna try and fish tonight. It's a little windy. I was gonna come fishing tomorrow morning, but it's gonna be still with the northeastern winds, which is exactly what we have right now. But I think I might have a good coverage from them right now over here, so I'm gonna try that out. But I'm gonna check these little inlets right here and see how it goes. See y'all in a bit when I catch them. Hopefully, cross my fingers. All right, guys, first trout. A small one, I think. Oh, this thing got stuck. He's small, so it gets off. Oh, biggie. Well, look at this guy. Oh, there you go. He got off. Whoa. All right, guys. First trout. First trout. So what am I using? Damn. I'm using Old Faithful. Bam. DOA shrimp right here, glow. Just go at it again. You know what? I'm gonna try casting. They were blowing up right now against this little wall. Damn it, I'm an idiot. Why didn't I try this spot? No. Alright. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna try to see if I could get some live action here for you guys. Okay, so what I was doing, casting against the wind and the current, and I'm letting it drop. 7 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7, and then just twitch it. Boom, boom. 2 pops. They're gonna feel that if they're around. Read it in slow. Pop, pop. Read it in slow. Pop, pop. And what I always like to do, instead of try to cast it right in the middle, I always try to cast over it and then work it towards the middle of the light. So 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5, 6, 7, pop, pop. Pop, pop. This thing. The wind is gnarly. Well, y'all get the point. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Man, there's a whole bunch of mullet everywhere. Holy, look at this. When I just hit my kayak. Alright, guys, we're coming up to another light. This one looks a bit more promising. Dude, I got literally mullet bumping into my kayak. Here we go. So we catch here, guys. Well, that was off. That was not a good cast at all. It's a whole lot better. Let's see if we can catch something. A ridiculous amount of mullet. Damn, that's crazy. Come on, fishy. 6, 7. Come on, baby. Oh, damn. Got him. Yeah, he came back for it. Oh, that's a good trout. That's definitely gonna be a good trout. Oh. Let's see if it's a keeper. Let's see if it's a keeper. Bam. He hit it, missed it, came back. Yeah, that's definitely a keeper. Chill out. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Bam, with the DOA. Can't go wrong. Look at this beauty. It's probably 15 and a half, 16. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be like a 15 and a half. Oh, 16 and a half. Bam, right there. Let's go. Going the stringer. Go, baby. Go, go. Another good little tip to do, guys. With these little DOA shrimp, I'm guessing, well, even with the H&H and all the other little shrimps that I guess have a little hook that it could slide down, put some glue. This is really the second fish I've caught on this. And the baby's still holding on, so it works. See how long it lasts. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. Throw it past the light. There it goes. Right on the edge. Let it drop. 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7. Oh, got him. Oh, that's a good. Dude, that's. Oh, this is probably bigger. Holy shit. Damn, they're hitting hard, man. They're hitting hard. It's 9 o'clock. I think the bite just passed, man. The major, but they're calling it, man. They called it. There's another keeper right here. Boom. Let's go, baby. Pa' que batallo, pa' que batallo. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bang, right there. Another one, another 16 positive. Come out now, come out. Bam, on the edge. Oh, right over 15. Right on the edge. Right at 15. Squeeze it, about 15 and a quarter, so. That baby's going. Damn, they're still popping. Let's see if we can catch another one. Let's see if we can do it back to back, back to back. Boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boop, boop, pop, pop. Ooh, ooh. Had another one. Damn. Oh, got him. Oh, he came back while I was reading it in. Oh, shit. He came off. Holy shit. Damn. Alright, so it finally came off the glue. Immoral. Let's see if we catch something here, guys. Come on. Live action, live action. Oh, he poked. Oh no. Oh shit, he blew me off. Oh my god, look at that swirl. Look at that swirl. Alright. I'm gonna position myself, guys. Dude, I might just catch my limit right here in this spot. Dude, that was a big one. That one that you see right now was a big one. Damn, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, baby. See what we catch, see what we catch. Oh, got one. Got one. Good one. Oh, that's a good drop. Hell yeah. Oh shit. Relax. This is a super healthy one. Holy shit. This is a good one. This is a good one. Damn, it's like an 18-inch. For sure. I knew he was there, man. Damn, it's a nice one, yo. Nice one, bam. It's a good try right there, yo. Damn, almost whipped them. Freaking reel out of my hand. Let's go, baby. Damn. This is a healthy one. Hella healthy right there. I'm guessing she's like 17. Let me see. Damn, you brought me all the way over here. Let's see where she is. Yep, 16 3/4, 17. You squeeze the tail. Bam. Right there, baby. Another keeper. Keeper number 3. Damn, this might be a quick limit. Might not even have to turn off the camera. Bam. Alright, guys. I switched it up to the little Vudu Shrimp. And well, use small bait, catch small fish. So, hold on, let's see. Catch a good one now. Got a good one, y'all. Got a good one on the Vudu Shrimp. Damn. Keeper number 4 for sure. Oh, that's a nice one. Holy smokes. Damn, he might be the biggest one of the night. Damn, that Vudu Shrimp. Holy shit, kebab. Damn, that's a good sized one. Dude, he swallowed that. Damn it. Alright, so I guess they wanted that smaller profile. That smaller profile shrimp. Damn, dude. Yeah, come out. Come out. Damn, y'all ever seen that? Yeah, is that swallowed? Damn. Oh. Damn. Not quite. Ah, got him. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Man, he's bleeding. Damn it. Let's measure him real quick, guys, and I'll put him out of his misery because he's gonna die, so I need to bleed him out. Here we go. Bam. Let's see what we got. 18 and a half. Oh no. Wait, no. It's 18. 18-inch trout right here. Bam. Yeah, he's bleeding. Alright, what's up, everybody? So we're here back at home. I'm filleting the fish that I caught last night. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, which is usually the regular way that a lot of people do it, and then I'm gonna try a new technique that I've been seeing on YouTube. So here are the trout. I'll just bend it out a little bit. What I usually do, just go behind the fin, cut down. Then you want to go along the backbone, all the way along. There's this little bladder thing that's super gummy. Go around, flip that over. Swivel back and forth. Bam. Got the fillet, go behind the ribs. At the diagonal. There you go. Clean fillet right here. Got my little bag. I usually like putting the date on what it is, just so I can know what it is. Go on the other side. Sorry guys, I'm doing this in a hurry because I got family over from out of town and they're waiting on me. So same thing, flip it over, let the knife do all the work. Go behind the ribs again, diagonally. There you go. Beautiful trout fillet. Now, this next one, I'm gonna try this new technique. That I've been seeing people do, which they start right here on the anus, I guess. They go down, come back along the spine, and then they just fillet out. So let's give that a try. Well, I'll try it this side. See how this goes. There you go. Along the bone. It's not bad. What I want to see is how much meat I rendered out. So that's technically that's the fillet that we're supposed to be taking home. This is what's left over and the guts are supposed to be in there. So let me see, let me do this side too. Take that over. Little bit of bones right there, but oh, cuando quieres que corte, cámara? There you go, you got your two fillets. What I was seeing though, what I wanted to try out is this. I mean, this has still a lot of meat, so I was thinking just taking this out, because look at all that meat, man. Taking that out. That is pure meat right there. Just need to clean it out a bit. What I want to do, I want to save this, put it in the air fryer for a little bit, and then just pluck out all the meat. And I could use this meat to do little, I don't know, like little fish balls, I guess, with some batter, and put them on in the fryer, man. That's a whole bunch of meat right there. Let me see. The only issue is gonna be filleting it out. Let me see if I could get some. No, actually I'll leave it. I'll probably leave it on, and then once it's fairly cooked in the air fryer, I'll just take out all the meat. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this. It's not a bad technique. I'll probably keep doing it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how I fillet a fish, speckled trout. And I'm gonna use these to fish fry. I'm gonna use these as well, do some little balls, and yeah, it should render a good amount of meat. So that's it. I wish I could do a catch and cook. I don't know if I have time. I'll do a catch and cook, but I'm not sure. I'll probably do it in the next video. I want to start doing some videos for cooking as well, because there's some good recipes out there, man. So, and there's nothing better than catching your own food and cooking it as well and seeing your family enjoy it. So alright guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna keep filleting these fish, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot, and God bless. God bless, God bless, God bless.